Hello. We have parts. We've printed these parts. I have actually two pits here. I could have printed it in halves. I don't know why I didn't, but I didn't. So it is what it is. And we're going to see how they do. They might work. They might not. So. This outer shell was actually moving around a lot in there, and now it's not. Now the inner shell is a little bit still, but we have a fix for that already. That's our other piece of red deck engineering here. Ow, I just stabbed myself. So now we have zero movement at all. So I think that's going to work really well. The only other concern is, can we still turn the wheel? And yeah, we totally can. Slap this back together, and then we'll go on a bit of a road test and see how it do. I have no idea how much of that road test you got.
What the what? Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Yeah. Try not to get too close.
Alright, part 2 of today's video. We have an instrument cluster we're putting in. So we need to swap the cover part, and we need to fix that cable. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit and then try it again. The battery's really dead for some reason. I really don't know why. I don't know, something got left on somehow. I don't have any idea how. But let it charge for a bit, and then we'll fire it back up and see. So far it looks good. So far everything seems like it works. So that's a good sign. All right, here we are. Can't see anything at all. Still can't see anything at all. Alright, we got our gauges lit up there, and we're good. Yeah, oil pressure looks like it works. Tach seems to be working properly. Fuel gauge looks good. It looks like we're actually charging a lot. Our battery's pretty weak. We might be toasted. But we're going to go take it down the street and see if the odometer works. If the odometer works, we're going to be good. Alright, there we go, there's our video. You can see that the odometer reads different. Apparently we went about 3.7 miles. Speedo is close to accurate. I'd say it's about 85% accurate. Probably more than that, actually. We were doing 60, it was reading about 56, 57-ish. So 3-4 miles an hour off is close enough for me. I don't really care. But that way we'll be able to actually keep track of our mileage and potentially do some regular maintenance on this thing. Since I'm going to be driving it probably a lot more than the BMW, I care more about keeping track of that. Also, this motor, I haven't gone through it at all, so probably would be good to keep track of it. But we have a full oil change and a new power steering pump there. I don't know when we're going to do all that. Maybe tomorrow, but I don't know what else we have planned. Not a whole lot else planned, I don't think. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed it.